Hey, what's up guys? So today I have the EMP for the Glock 42 is an enhanced mag plate plus 2. So basically this is gonna give me 2 more rounds on my Glock 42. The OEM mag is 6 rounds. Just the pistol is completely clear just for safety purposes. Okay, so this is the mag, the OEM mag, and this is how it fits. Fits pretty good. Love that it has the little lip as well. The only issue is that this one right here holds 6 rounds. So just to show you guys, easy to load. Love this pistol. Okay, you get the 6. You can see here it is 6. Can't go no more. Okay, so get this back out. And now this come in play. So this is the EMP. Comes in a nice little box like this. You got a QR code to scan. I tell you exactly how to install it. Okay, so let's get it open. Okay, once open, in the little bag. So it does come with a spring pin. This will lock them to the bottom, and this is the extender right here. Okay, so let's get it all separated. So the way I separate the original mag has a little pinhole right here. I'll push that down. And it usually just come out. Just make sure you hold it so it won't come flying out the spring. Okay, you see here it does fly out, so just be careful. So I'll put these to the side, and now I grab, okay, once it's out, you'll grab this part, you put it on top, and you'll bring it down so it can line up perfect. Okay, you can see there it goes right into the hole. So now you'll grab this part, it slides right in. There you go. That is how you'll switch it. It has a little opening here, but that gets covered. Okay, so now three, 4, 5, 6, 7. A1's pretty tight, and there you go. There's 8 in there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, just to show you guys, still empty. Okay, and that's how it looks. This is how the extended 8 rounds look, just like that. Holds very nice. Look at that, very nice. Love how it looks. Look at that, beautiful. It extends a bit more and it looks beautiful. Awesome, recommend it. EPM plus 2. Sweet.